SQLAlchemy ORM conversion to Pandas DataFrame. Is there a solution converting a SQLAlchemy to a Pandas DataFrame? Pandas has the capability to use pandas.read_SQL, but this requires use of raw SQL. I have two reasons for wanting to avoid it. I already have everything using the ORM, a good reason in and of itself, and I'm using Python lists as part of the query, e.g. db.session.query, item.filter, item.symbol.in_, add_ symbols, where item is my model class and add_ symbols is a list. This is the equivalent of SQL select, from, where, in. Is anything possible?
Below should work in most cases. See pandas.read_SQL documentation for more information on the parameters.
If you want to compile a query with parameters and dialect-specific arguments, use something like this.
Just to make this more clear for novice Pandas programmers, here is a concrete example. Here we select a complaint from complaints table. SQLAlchemy model is complaint, with ID equals 2.
The selected solution didn't work for me, as I kept getting the error. Attribute error, annotated select object has no attribute lower. I found the following worked.
If you want to support the channel, please leave a link in the description.